In this video, I will talk about the transaction fees of the BX exchange and I will show you how to reconcile 40%. The transaction fee of this Binance exchange is okay. The support fee of the Binance Exchange X is 0.1%. Of the normal future fee of the user is 0.02%. The all-in fee is 0.05%. If you lose $1 million in trading volume at the marker, it will cost $200 in this transaction fee with 0.02%, comma. The odds are that $1 million in trading volume will lose $500 in transaction fees corresponds to 0.05%, comma. Then if you register for a BX account at the link below or when registering for the amount you use, the refer code is JC1ZN. You will get a refund of 40% of the transaction fee. Refund is a refund the next day. For example, you will refund this $100 fee, get 40% of this transaction fee. Here is the fee after, but this money has been reversed. The sports fee is only 0.06%, comma. The future level is 0.012%. and the total is 0.03%, comma. Then you lose the chance if you give $1 million of volume trading at 0.012% equals $120 fee with $80 refunded directly to your BX account. And then this ticker $1 million volume at 0.03% equals $300 fee, saving you over $200 in fees. That's a $200 cashback right there. You can see this image here. Clicking the sign up link will show you'll get 40% of trading fees refunded. See, you can click this link. I'll click it for you to see now. Okay, it shows Duke Hawaii B 40% fee rebate. Scroll down, see 40% here at the bottom. It's there, okay? If you're interested in other exchanges like KuCoin, Binance, OKX, MSC Coin, BitGet, DeepCoin, XT, BitMax or others, you can click the link below this video to access the article. Here's KuCoin at 35%. See, it shows default fees or post-registration rates for each exchange. So how much will be refunded? Sun Binance refunds 20%. This fee is refundable indefinitely with no time limit. OK also gives 20%, MESC 20% too, and Bybit. This one refunds monthly, while others refund daily. This coin refunds 22%, that one 40%. Default fees and fees after pressing apply. After registering, it'll apply like this. Get 20% here. All have images to prove authenticity. Very trustworthy, folks. If an exchange doesn't show on the registration interface, I'll screenshot the partners section for you to see how I set it up. Then Debcoin will appear on the registration side. I'll snap that area too. 30% for XT exchange. How to get 30%? If any exchange isn't listed, message me via email, Telegram or Facebook. I'll send you links so you can get your transaction fees refunded, okay?